In 1996, we entered the trucking world. We've grown steadily by your side each step of the way. We've listened to what you really need, on the road, in business and in life, and added services that make your everyday easier. Following the launch of our first toll payment solution came European expansion. From the Czech Republic to Turkey, we haven't slowed down. From our first investments in e-mobility, we continue to evolve towards alternative energy solutions, scaling through new acquisitions and our London Stock Exchange listing. From one product, we've grown into one digital platform, connecting finance, mobility and technology into one sustainable ecosystem, helping keep us on the road to make the future of trucking clean, fair and efficient. We've been on this journey together for 30 years, and behind each of you is a story. Eurowag. Go far.